sum-up question for all of you. The question reads this way, it's not my words. What has been proven is that the current political system is unable to meet the challenge of climate change. The Baines Cabinet needs to just work out how will each party do things differently. So you've got an open question there, 1 minute each. I'll start on the far end and we'll allow one of the cabinet ministers.
If you want to get something like this done, whatever the actions turn out to be, you have to build a consensus. Now, we have an adversarial political system in Britain that has plenty of faults in it, as we all know, and the current hiatus around Brexit must have told us that the first past the post system that we have in the UK is probably no longer fit for purpose. Having said that, it is here at the moment, we have to deal with it, and I would like to think that it is possible to build consensus on many things. It's been quite interesting here tonight, I think, because there have been many things, although people have expressed things in slightly different ways, there are more things that unite us than divide us, to quote a phrase. So what we will have to do, whoever runs the council, I hope they will extend that spirit of cooperation to other groups, because we can't make dealing with climate change a political battle. It has to be something we all work on, something we have to make happen.
Yeah, I don't agree that the present political system can't cope with this either. We've all been distracted by this Brexit nonsense for 3 years now, and that's taken the politicians' eye off the ball, and that's a terrible shame. But in the past, things have been done in other authorities, in other countries. For example, Sheffield ran a very good, very cheap public transport system back in the 70s until Mrs. Thatcher stopped it. So it can be done, and let's hope that there is a resolution to this awful distraction that we're all facing at the moment, and we can get on with dealing with what I think is a much more crucial problem.
I will do things differently because, as I've proven, I'm the second youngest person in this room, and my generation has everything to lose from not achieving, not stopping climate change. I will be 37 by the time it comes to 2030. There's still so much of my life to go, and younger generations as well. Millennials and Gen Zs have been out protesting, skipping school because we care so much about climate change, because it is it's our futures. This is not something that we can afford to delay. It's not something that we can afford to do cheaply. It is, in short, the only thing that matters. Without a strong, stable environment, you can't have a strong, stable society. Without a strong and stable society, you can't have a strong, stable economy. It's everything.
Okay, the whole point of it is that we are the canary in the mine. I'm going to ask you to be brave. I'm going to ask you to make a choice, should you have one of our candidates, to vote for them, because they are different. We are not constrained. I've heard wonderful words from all parties. I have yet to see parties cooperate. We believe we should learn from the people in Bath and North East Somerset. We should learn from places like Preston. We should copy them. Even Sheffield, the bus, we should learn from Frome. We need to work together. And if you vote for B, I'll bloody well make sure you do.
I'm not going to do anything different to the way I just described it all evening. We have a plan, we're going to get there, we're going to deliver it. And I think it is essential that we have bipartisan agreement. And I think it needs a number of us in this room to actually help make it happen. Whoever is in power after the 2nd of May, we need to work together. And so far, it has been quite challenging to do that because of the way the structures and chemistry and issues of certain people. So we've all got to pull together on this because this is too important to do anything other than that.
And I, on your behalf, just say thank you to our panel. Thank you for they've been working very hard for the last 2 hours. I'm going to take my chairman's privilege at this point and say that that last question was one where I longed to see what everyone was saying. We have had too much divisive party political action. We need to work together. And I think the fact that many people have come today, we are saying that this